Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Lenovo Tab P12. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow in first two pop-ups. Then wherever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!